Have you ever seen or asked yourself, what is the source of the water which are very hot that are coming out of the ground? What is the reason behind it to cause the water become very hot while they are coming from the ground? This is nothing. It's just a spring of water, but it's not just a normal spring of water. It's just a hot spring. This water are coming from the inner of the ground. This water are very hot. Look careful. Just for a second, I'm trying to show you with the closest view. This is a spring of water. This water are coming from the ground. Have you asked yourself what is the reason behind which caused the water to be very hot like this? Before watching this video, I will try to cook some maize over here. These are the maize that have got from the farm there. As you are watching, there are the farm around. But I'm trying to cook with the hot water which are coming from the ground. Before watching this video and telling the reason behind it to cause the water become very hot while they're coming from the source. Before watching this video, I highly recommending you to subscribe this channel, turn on the notification bell, share and like our video. Visit our channel. There is so many impressive videos that you can learn from. Then visit our channel. There is so many impressive videos that you can watch it. Tell us of the comments from which city or which place you are watching this video from. I highly to know how our video is reaching. This is the place. It's down from the top of the mountain. Look, there's a mountain around this place. But this place, it is very, very exceptional character because it has a very hot water coming from the ground. What is the reason behind it to cause the water become very hot from the ground? There's a big reason. Let's go together. This water which are coming from the ground are caused by lava. Do you know lava? Do you know lava? Lava is something like a porridge that are moving from the inner part of the core of the earth. When this lava is moving across around the earth crust, the result of causing the heat to the some of the rock that are around or are inside of it. On top of that, there is a water. Listen careful. When there is a water around that place, around the rock, will result of causing the heat to the water, which will result of the water to be heated like this. Have you seen the bubbles that are coming from inside of the core? This is the heat that are coming from that rock caused by the lava. Lava is something that causes expression of some mountain. Example, volcano mountain are caused by presence of lava, which the place that seems to be very very what? I try to very weak. The weakest point that cause to be close to the lava is the some place which would cause exposure to the mountain. The same to this place. The place where the rocks are seem to be very weak, they will result of causing the water to be boiled like this. Look the bubbles. These bubbles is just the hot which is trying to heat the water. This is the very hot water. Oh my God, very hot water. So as you are watching this video, let's go together. We have tried to put our maize here. This is the maize. It is somehow dried, but not completely dried. We are trying to heat to the end to see that will it be this hot water from the ground are capable of causing them to be cooked. Rest watching till the end of video. You will never be disappointed till the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. As we are keeping on waiting this maize to be cooked by this hot water which are coming from the coal caused by lava, as I explained before. Let's try. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, share this video to the friends and the peoples you know. This is the, I'm trying to zoom out this video. This is the place where the lava seems to be a little close to the earth crust. It seems to be weakest to the sun, which is close to the earth crust, and it causes somehow a heat, and the result of causing this dam or spring to be hot. Look, that's the top of the mountain, just a little distance from there up to here. This is the down to the mountain. It is just a somehow in some places of Africa continent. This continent is a rich of many amazing things that you can learn from. Let's go together to see if this kind of maize will be eaten. I highly recommend you to subscribe, and then let's go together to watch whether these maize are well cooked. Let me touch it. Are somehow cooked. Somehow cooked. Oh my God, but it's very hot. Are somehow cooked due to this water which are coming from the ground. Please, according to the time, it is not enough till this maize be cooked enough so that it can be eaten by us. But these water are very hot and they can cook this maize. Make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end of the next video. Make sure to subscribe this channel, share this video, the like, visit our channel, drop the comment. Have you learned something from this video? I love you so much. You will never disappoint me by your subscription to this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting my channel. I love you. Mwah.